Oh man, guys, it is Thursday, April 8th, I believe. Alright guys, it is Thursday, April 8th, and we are going to a repair walkthrough. So when a house is contracted and then the buyer does inspections in Oklahoma, there's a clause in the contract that allows the buyer to turn in a TRR form. If you guys have been watching the channel for the last couple of years, you've heard me talk about this form before. We're going right now to verify that all those repairs were done. And I always recommend to buyers to have their home inspector come verify that the repairs are done, because they're the ones that will know what they're looking for and if it was done right. Unless the buyer's a contractor, they might not know if a repair was done right. So most inspectors will do re-inspect for a fourth of the inspection cost. You know, they got to pay for their gas and time to verify the repairs. And then when I go to those repair walkthroughs, I bring the TRR form with me. That way the inspector knows what to look for. So I'm trying to make it easier for him. So heading there right now. The car is dirty, even though it's just been sitting in the front yard. It looks like it's covered in pollen. It's green. It's got a green haze on it or something. So yeah, gonna go get the car washed, get some gas, do the repair walkthrough, swing by the office. Had 2 more checks come in. Super thankful for that. Super blessed for that. And gonna do a comp only for 2 structures. Also get that into the system. They gave me a comp only blessing, so I'm super excited to do that. All right, guys, you got real estate questions? Put them in the comments below. I'm gonna get out of this navigator's way. They are trucking along with their U-Haul. And I'll see you guys on the next clip. Okay, just finished up that final walkthrough. That was wonderful. We are repair walkthrough. I want to be able to show you guys the house and what we looked at and stuff like that, but the movers are there. They got pushed back. The seller's there, so I wasn't able to show you guys the house, but finished the repair walkthrough with the home inspector and got to see the house again. Took a couple more measurements. Now I will go to the office, grab those checks that came in, send 2 structures their comp only packet, and then get home, spend time with the family, let the wife do the final clean for the Feast of Unleavened and the Passover tonight and the start of the Feast of Unleavened. And yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So sorry I didn't have more stuff to show you then. Maybe I'll bring you in with me when I put together the packet for 2 structures. Maybe that's what I'll do. Alright guys, see Josh Barnett, Better Homes Yard Real Estate Paramount. I'll see you on the next clip. Okay guys, just finished up shopping at Sprouts. They are doing an awesome job in Edmond. They really are. I've got a buyer thinking about doing some inspections before they contract a home, so I'm working on that right now. And gotta go to the office, get my checks, go home, just finish grocery shopping. I want to help the wife prepare for Passover tonight and cleaning out the leaven and stuff like that. And my day's just getting away from me. I've got to get home and help her out. So, alright guys, going to the office, getting the checks. I'm not even going to take the time to deposit there. I'm just going to go straight home to help her with the kiddos so she can get all that started. I will see you guys Friday. This is it for the day. Sorry we couldn't look at more houses together. Sorry I couldn't be on more of my phone calls today. Very eventful day, very good day. I appreciate all those agents that I work with out there that understand and appreciate and know that real estate is an essential business. And thankfully, our governor still feels that way in the state of Oklahoma too. Alright guys, thanks so much. Josh Barnett, Better Homes Yard Real Estate Paramount. See you guys Friday.